The supporting brackets transfer the vertical and horizontal loads from the MSS into the piers. 3 pairs of supporting brackets are required for a complete work cycle. The support brackets are placed either side of the pier and connected with pre-tensioned high-strength threaded bars. The supporting brackets include working platforms for use during operation. 6 launching wagons are provided with each MSS. The launching wagons are located on the top beam of the supporting bracket. The longitudinal jack connects from the center of the launching wagon to the main girder launching rail, located at the center of the main girder bottom flange. The main 2 box girders are designed as plate structures with various thicknesses of plates. Maximum dimensions of the box section is 16 feet high by 6.5 feet wide. These beams transfer the load from the superstructure to the support brackets. Rails are welded to the bottom webs for moving on roller bearings. During concrete placement, the MSS is supported in the front by 4 hydraulic cylinders and suspended in the rear from the suspension gallows. The front and rear nose trusses are lightweight extensions of the main girder. They are required for longitudinal launching of the MSS. There are a total of 4 nose trusses, 2 front noses and 2 rear noses. All 4 noses are connected with a vertical hinge to the main girder. This hinge can be adjusted manually with the mechanical jack when launching through a horizontal curve. The Gerald Desmond Bridge MSS has 2 different sections forming the transverse beams or trusses. The central section, spanning between the 2 main girders, and the cantilever brackets fitted to the outside of the main girders. Before the MSS can be side shifted, the PT bars connecting both sides of the transverse beams along the center line of the bridge are removed. The MSS can then be opened until the transverse beams can pass the concrete piers. The suspension gallows transfer the loads from the rear of the MSS to the previously cast section of the bridge deck. At each end of the suspension gallows are pin-jointed connectors for 14 to 18 1.4-inch diameter threaded PT bars which pass through voids in the bridge deck and connect to the MSS main girders. 2 hydraulic cylinders placed directly above the webs of the bridge deck transfer the loads into the previously cast section.